Hello and welcome. I'm going to try and move this a little closer. You can see there is the label goo. And here, the goo gone, which is basically gummed label remover. It is. I'm going to be careful. It's funny. I kept looking at this bottle forever. And then when it came time for me to find it, I couldn't find it, which is always the way. Clutter's only clutter if it's where you don't need it. Anyway, so I put a little bit on here, and I'm going to rub it onto the area where the gummed label stuff was, and give it some considerable pressure. Now, the thing is it all gone? It is not all gone. It's almost all gone. Almost, but not quite. So I'll hit this with another fresh thing. And right at the crease here, I will hit this with some tremendous pressure. Actually, in some ways, as I rub this around, this does seem to make everything sort of shine a bit. Isn't that beautiful? No, don't knock it over. Okay. There's still just a little bit. But it is going away. It is. Let's see if I look in the light. Okay. It's gone. See, maybe I should just use this stuff to shine up the monitors. Maybe just running this thing, this brush through the crease, because you just never know where the dust will go. Yeah, that looks pretty fine. Pretty fine. And the label stuff is gone now. Before I run into trouble and spill the goo gun, put the lid on, and tuck this over here. I shall maybe just before I call it a day with this, perhaps I'll just rub down the other black parts. See about getting them nice and shiny. Oh, there's a little dust. There's always more dust. Always more dust. All right. So that's looking mighty fine. Maybe I'll take the goo gone to the show. It almost acts like a polish as well. It almost does. Let's see if we can get this sitting up. Just go round and round all the brown stuff, looking for any place, like right in the corners where dust can fester. It can. And one last rub around the monitor screen. Make sure it looks pretty. There. There it is. One more monitor tested, cleaned and shiny, ready for the show. Alright. Of course, what I'm really avoiding doing is surgery on the pet, but I gotta make room for surgery. I do. So, I shall, oh, hi Penny. Penny's here. I wonder if I can convince Penny to come and say hello. Penny does not often pop in. Penny, come here, Penny. I know. Here's Penny. Penny, you gonna check out this monitor? Huh? You gonna do a CAT scan? What do you think, Penny? Does it pass the inspection? Yes? No? Maybe? Huh? Oh, Penny, we got stuff to yank out of you. Penny does not like being brushed. So once in a while, when things can be pulled out, I will pull them out. Little matted things. Sometimes she likes it, sometimes she doesn't. Isn't that right, Penny? What do you think of this? Is it okay? Is it okay? I guess it's okay. Alright. Penny, you're getting your tail in the dishwater. Hang on. Penny, what? Sit up here for a second. What do you think of that? Penny, over here. Penny, look over here. What do you think of this? Huh? I think you've had enough. I think you've had enough. Okay, we'll get some more hair out. I'll try and get the brush on you. Alright, there's Penny. Okay. There you go, Penny. Thanks for coming. Okay, so there we have it. Another monitor. Ready for the world of Commodore. I say, it's the weekend before the show. So I should have been getting ready long ago. But you know, things happen. They do. They do indeed. So when was this monitor made? Hang on. April 1983. Made in Japan. Lovely. Alright. That's it. That's all. I'm going to see about getting to the surgery on the pet. But, well, you know what? Maybe I'll see about dealing with the 1084S first. Perhaps I will. Anyway. Alright. Thanks for coming to the kitchen. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.